Have you ever wondered why the sea level rises and falls every day? What causes this phenomenon and how does it affect life on Earth? In this video, we will explain why the sea has tides. Welcome to Sky Sea Channel, which always discusses everything about the sea. Tides are the regular rise and fall of the sea level along the coast. They happen because of the gravitational pull of the moon and the sun on the Earth's oceans. The moon has a stronger effect than the sun because it is closer to the Earth. The moon's gravity pulls the ocean water toward it, creating a bulge on the side of the Earth facing the moon. This is called high tide. On the opposite side of the Earth, there is another bulge of water, also called high tide. This happens because the moon's gravity also pulls the Earth itself toward it, leaving the water behind. As the Earth rotates, these bulges move around the globe, creating high and low tides in different places at different times. Most places have 2 high tides and 2 low tides every day, which is called semidiurnal. Some places have only 1 high tide and 1 low tide per day, which is called diurnal. In reality, the Earth isn't a smooth ball, so tides are also affected by the presence of continents, the shape of the Earth, the depth of the ocean in different locations, and more. The timing and heights of the tide near you will be affected by those additional elements. According to moon.nasa.gov, very high tides will occur twice a month, when the positions of the Earth, Sun and Moon are aligned. This is because the gravitational forces of the 3 celestial bodies combine to produce very high tides called spring tides, as well as very low tides where the water has been displaced. When the Sun is at right angles to the Moon, moderate tides occur, which are called neap tides. From our view on Earth, these tides coincide with certain moon phases because they occur when the moon reaches a certain position in its orbit. According to moon.nasa.gov again, Earth's tidal bulges don't line up exactly with the moon's position. Because the moon is orbiting in the same direction as the Earth rotates, it takes extra time for any point on our planet to rotate and reach exactly below the moon. This means that the high tide bulges are never directly lined up with the moon, but a little ahead of it. Tides are very important for life in the ocean and on land. They affect the movement of water, nutrients, animals, and plants. They also influence human activities such as fishing, boating, surfing, and coastal development. Did you know that some animals can use tides to their advantage? For example, some crabs can sense when the tide is low and come out of their burrows to feed on exposed prey. Some fish can swim into shallow waters during high tide and avoid predators. Some birds can time their migration to coincide with low tides and feast on worms and mollusks. Did you also know that some places have very extreme tides? For example, in the Bay of Fundy in Canada, the difference between high and low tide can be up to 16 meters or 53 feet. That's taller than a 5-story building. In some parts of Alaska, the tide can change by 10 meters or 33 feet in just 6 hours. Well, those are some things that we can know about the sea tides. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss other spectacular videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.